From minimizing collisions to maximizing uptime, it's important for your fleet to manage total cost of risk.
Element works with our clients on not only managing their total cost of ownership, which is how much a vehicle is going to cost them as far as leasing, as far as maintenance, fuel costs, all of that. We also expand on that and talk to them. We talk to them about looking at their total cost of risk. Now, total cost of risk deals with everything from the amount of collisions that you could be having, preventable accidents, non-preventable accidents, downtime, all the way up to really looking at what the potential litigation exposures there are for actually owning and managing a commercial fleet. One of the best user cases that we've been able to uncover about managing total cost of risk and working in that advisory for clients is on a client which is around 6,000 vehicles with us. We had every major service option with that fleet. We managed their leasing, we managed their fuel, we managed their maintenance, all of that aspects of it. But what we didn't have in place was being able to monitor their drivers and to be able to look at the behavioral side of that. That's with our product, which is Driver Care Connect. When we worked with the client to roll that out to all of their drivers, we started to see that we actually had a 6.8% decrease in accident rates, which for a fleet that size, when you start to move the needle on those percentages, it worked out to an over $1 million in reduction in deductible and downtime costs for the clients. Now, what was interesting in that is it wasn't just high-risk drivers that we were uncovering. By actually working on MVR monitoring and then utilizing telematics and visualizing that data for the client, we were able to see that they really had drivers that were considered risk level 0, meaning that they don't have convictions, they haven't had accidents, but in reality, their driving behavior was a potential of having those particular incidents. So by working with the client and proactively taking those drivers that might have been a bit of a ticking time bomb and working with them to do driver training modules, to visualize the data for the driver so they could understand what the potential of risk could be for them, we actually brought that forward. So we looked at the reality of reducing the accidents with that visualization, but more importantly, we showed what the potential savings could be by preventing them before they even happened.